Thinking Maths is a professional learning program for teachers of mathematics from Year 6 to Year 9. The aim of the project is to build teachers' pedagogical content knowledge. So that's about understanding those maths concepts deeply, knowing how they develop, and thinking about how students learn them best. The program is 5 professional learning days, and as a facilitator, we model the tasks that the students might be using in the classroom. This gives the teachers a really good vision of how the students might learn the mathematical concepts. The tasks that we use are hands-on tasks. They have movement in them. We use concrete materials, and what we aim to do is have tasks which have multiple entry and multiple exit points. So for those students, will they have an entry point into this task, and how will I draw them up? And for a student, is this task going to provide this child with some intellectual stretch? So it's about the teachers personalising that learning to their own classrooms. During the program, we ask the teachers to wear 2 hats. One as a learner. That way they experience what the learners will experience and understand what that productive struggle feels like. But we also say to them, we want you to be a reflective practitioner. We want you to think about why we designed the learning this way. What are the techniques and strategies that we use to facilitate your learning? What are the questions that we ask? So in this way, they're building up an idea of how they're going to be teaching this task or leading their students in this task back at their site. At the end of the professional learning day, we ask teachers to make a commitment to action. Now, teachers can choose whatever is appropriate, whatever they think is going to make the most impact in their classroom. Some teachers choose that they're going to try out some of the tasks that we've used and demonstrated on the day. Some of them want to check out the resources that we've given to them and follow those up. Others think about the different questioning techniques they might use when they go back, or maybe even using wait time, or give students an opportunity to do some estimation through some lesson starters. And in that way, in the 4 weeks between the professional learning days, they're going to be able to go back into their classrooms and try out some of these new ideas and see what impact it has on their learners in their classroom. We provide all participants with a teacher's reference text. This text, it gives them the opportunity to look up a certain topic that they're about to teach. And when they read about that, they see the most important concepts, the big ideas for that topic. They get an understanding of what the main misconceptions might be for their learners, and then they can start to plan and design so that they can build those concepts for the students, and it gives them some small tasks that get them started. In every professional learning day, we give the participants an opportunity to get together and talk about the things they've been trying back at their site. So they talk about the things that worked, the things that might not have worked, things that they do differently next time. So this is an opportunity to build a strong professional learning community, and they learn a lot more from each other than they possibly do from us as facilitators. Some of the outcomes from our program are the fact that the teachers build confidence. They build confidence in their ability to teach mathematics conceptually. And they see the evidence that the students are more engaged and they're more interested in their mathematics. They're doing more thinking. This is really important for students to own the maths. What teachers notice is that those students that haven't been contributing much in class and don't speak up very often and aren't very confident, they come to the fore when we start teaching in this different way. They're given an opportunity to enter into the learning through estimation, guessing, using intuition, and this really motivates the students to be involved. Interestingly, some of the students that have been high achievers in maths sometimes feel that things have changed a little and it takes a while for them to understand that they're still really good mathematical thinkers, but that we're encouraging them to think much more deeply about the mathematical concepts. Overall, the outcomes of the program are such that the teachers are more engaged, understand more about what they're going after in their teaching. The students are more involved, they're thinking more about their mathematics, they're working like mathematicians, and ultimately their dispositions towards mathematics improve, and ultimately so does their achievement.